March Madness is in full swing, and I got you covered for all your cooking needs. Today, we are making amazing Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuits, and it's not from a box. No, 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 no. We don't do that here. Come on, let's get cooking. So I've got my oven preheated right now to 450, and we're going to start these biscuits off with 2 cups of flour. Now to our 2 cups of flour, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, not soda, powder. Bad things happen when you get those wrong. And I've got 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. You know, we got to have that garlicky flavor. And I got a tablespoon of salt. We're going to go ahead, just mix that up real quick. Now we're going to add diced up a whole stick of butter. And we're going to mix that in. Actually had to buy one of these today. And now I see I should have bought the more expensive one instead of the cheap one. This is turning right in my hand. Slipping and sliding. Strap in, kids. This could take a while. I think that's got us there. Now, we got a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Yes, you gotta have cheddar cheese for Cheddar Bay biscuits. I mean, I thought this had to be just a crazy, ridiculously hard thing to make. But it's not. This is so easy. I mean, you see how little is involved so far. Just few ingredients. You may have all of this in your pantry right now. Now that we got all of our dry ingredients mixed up, we're going to add 1 cup of buttermilk. You could, if you had to, substitute just regular milk. If you want to get crazy and inventive, try some whipping cream. That could be interesting. That's the thing about cooking and baking. You should always be trying new crazy stuff. I hope your whisk works better than mine. It's supposed to keep your hands clean, but yeah, here we are. You know, this isn't quite at the consistency I want. You see there's a lot of flour here. I think I'm going to add a little, just a splash more. That might be too much for all I know. There we go. Let's see how that works. Well, it sure is sticky, that's for sure. Maybe I need to try a different implement. Let's try a spoon. That's seems to be getting it a little better. Yeah, I got all the loose flour. Now we're going to put this on a baking sheet and throw it in the oven. Now I'm going to be using this Pioneer Woman brand baking sheet that I actually just picked it up today, and it's got one of the silicone baking sheets that comes with it. I mean, these clean up real easy, and I'm gonna give that a try. Now we're gonna go ahead, see how many of these we get. And if you can, space them out about an inch, inch and a half. As you can see, I got about 14, well not about, I got exactly 14 out of this. Now mine are inconsistent in size and shape, but that doesn't matter. They're still gonna be friggin' awesome. We're gonna throw these in the oven at 450 degrees for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna take them out and we're gonna enjoy. Oh my, look at these. Look at these. These are amazing. Can't wait to try them. Take a look at this little fella here. This is just freaking amazing. Smells great. Looks great. This is actually my second one. These things are freaking awesome. Now, if you want, melt your little butter, add some garlic, maybe some parsley, and put it on. But man, this is awesome as is. Your friends for your watch party are gonna absolutely love this. They're gonna love you for introducing it to them. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next week.